Radio Thailand's news broadcast from the Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government on AM 918, FM 88, FM 95.5 and FM 107. For advertising inquiries, please email us at radiothailand@outlook.com.
Crackers can be made out of all sorts of ingredients and flavored with all sorts of spices. But have you ever wondered why every cracker you've ever seen is punched with holes? With the right number of holes, that rising doesn't get out of control and results in a flat, crispy final product that's ready for stacking.
And this is when we wrap up the morning news hour for Saturday, January 16th, 2021. Our next news hour is at midday today, but you can catch Radio Thailand's all the news for updates around the clock.
Enjoy the rest of the day. I'm Benjamin Bruchopagan.
And I'm Kachang Wick Changche. Swadee krap.
From the Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government, that was News Hour.